Quambosco's Electrical Solutions. We empower your world by delivering top-notch electrical solutions that ignite efficiency, safety, and innovation. Our team of expert electricians and industry professionals provide comprehensive services, from residential and commercial installations to industrial electrical solutions and emergency repairs. With a passion for excellence and a commitment to customer satisfaction, we design and install electrical systems that meet your unique needs, provide prompt and reliable emergency services, offer energy-efficient solutions to reduce your carbon footprint, ensure compliance with industry standards and regulations, foster long-term relationships through transparency and trust. Join the thousands of satisfied clients who have experienced the Quambosco Electrical Solutions difference. Let us illuminate your path to a brighter, more sustainable future. Feel free to contact us on all social media platforms at Quambosco Electrical Solutions. Thank you and welcome.